Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 114 Benziger Lane in Stoney Creek, Ontario. This is a freehold, that means no condo fees, townhouse with 3 bedrooms upstairs plus fully finished basement. Let's go inside and take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at 114 Benziger Lane in Stoney Creek. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your property, please give me a call. My name is Mark Woehrle, and I can be reached at 905-512-1846.